Hello and welcome. In our previous video, we talked about the use of language, why you need to master your language. Do not forget, communication is the best way to link two people together. You cannot not communicate. We must communicate with other people so that they can help us to do things. No man is an island, so the best way to connect to people is through communication. Hi, my name is Namdagwa. Today, I'd like to focus my attention on the need for you to know how to really communicate with people. Speaking is very important, but effectively speaking is the most important thing to do. If you know how people process information, then you would know how to address them. There are 5 ways people process information on this planet. But today, I will speak about 3, the most important ones. First is the visual, second is the auditory, and the third is the kinesthetic. I will explain. Visual learners are people who like to see things before they understand it. Auditory are people who want to hear with the ears before they make meaning of what you're saying. And kinesthetic learners are those who would like to do things before they learn what that thing is. And so one rule cannot fit everybody. You must adapt. And one of the best ways to adapt is to understand the person you're speaking to, how the person processes information. From what they will tell you, the kind of words they use, the way they move around, the way they look at things, would give you a clue to how this person processes information. Let us take an example of a visual learner. Visual learners are people who like to use their eyes. They want to see things. When you're talking to a visual learner, you must use words that describe pictures. You have to describe pictures. Use words that would say, if you say you saw a tall man, you make your hands like that. Oh, I saw a very tall man today. Oh, I saw a shorter man today. Oh, I saw a short, fat woman today. So these are words that describe and tell him or her what you're saying exactly. For auditory learners, you need to be very articulate. You need to speak clearly, because that's the only way they can understand exactly what you're saying. If you don't articulate, or if you speak very fast and they're not getting all the details, they wouldn't get everything you're telling them. So you need to know how the person processes information to adapt. Kinesthetic learners, on the other hand, prefers to do things. In the classroom, for example, if you're teaching a bunch of students, kinesthetic ones in the class would prefer you to write on the board. They want to, everything you say, they want to write it down, because the more they write, the more they retain what you're saying. If you stand in front of people and just speak for hours without writing anything on the board, kinesthetic learners wouldn't understand 50% of what you're saying, because they are not doing anything. The thing goes in here and goes out here, and that's the end of the story. And so you need to adapt, and that's why in the classroom you need to write. That's why we have a board in the classroom. So by the time you use the board, you write something down, kinesthetic learners will know exactly what you're saying, because they would have written it down for future references. And then for auditory learners, you need to have articulated your words correctly, pronounce your words well, they can assimilate correctly. And for visual learners, as soon as you draw the pictures or draw the objects on the board, that's enough. They would have gotten exactly what you're saying. But if you just say something without showing them any pictures, without describing things correctly, they wouldn't appreciate all the things you're telling them. So the idea is to adapt your speech to the person or people listening to you. Communication is the shortest way to link to people, and so you need to know exactly the person listening to you, how he or she accepts, process information that comes around and to him. If you come regularly to the channel, you will discover a lot of things that we are going to tell you in practical terms. In our previous videos, we talked about language, so you go and watch that and know exactly what you need to do if you want to learn languages, if you want to become a good communicator, sharpen your language, and you become a great communicator. Today, I just told you that you need to make sure you speak, you communicate based on the person in front of you. Get information from him or her. The minute you see him, you should know how to adapt your speech to suit him. Is he a visual learner, auditory, or kinesthetic? These are the three most important ones. 90% of people around the world fall within this category. And in every group, you will see visual learners, kinesthetic learners, and auditory learners. So you've got to adapt your speech to suit each of these groups. Until next time, friends, please keep speaking up.